Welcome to our interior design tutorial on how to decorate your slate floor bathroom. Today, we'll guide you through the process of creating a stunning and functional space using the components you've mentioned. Let's get started. Before we begin, ensure your subfloor is clean and level. Lay down the underlayment to provide extra protection against moisture. Then, secure the backer board using screws, ensuring a sturdy base for your slate tiles. Next, plan your tile layout. Begin by measuring the bathroom and marking the center. Lay out a few tiles without mortar to visualize the design. Use tile spacers to maintain consistent gaps and a level to ensure your tiles are straight. It's time to cut your slate tiles to fit the edges and corners. Use a tile saw for straight cuts and tile nippers for smaller, intricate cuts. Remember to wear safety goggles and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Now, apply thin-set mortar on a small section of the backer board using a trowel. Hold the trowel at a 45-degree angle for even coverage. Spread only as much mortar as you can tile in 15 minutes. Carefully press the slate tiles into the mortar, following your planned layout. Use a rubber mallet to gently tap the tiles into place, ensuring they're level and aligned. Place tile spacers between tiles for consistent spacing. Once the tiles are set, mix your grout following the manufacturer's instructions. Apply the grout using a rubber float, pressing it into the gaps. After 15 to 20 minutes, use a damp sponge to wipe off excess grout and create a clean finish. Install tile edging/trim along the edges to give your bathroom a polished look. Seal the slate tiles to protect them from moisture with a tile sealer. Use caulk around corners and joints for a watertight seal. If you have a shower area, install a proper drainage system, and shower pan, and ensure a secure toilet flange. Finally, add transition strips where the slate floor meets other flooring. Congratulations! You've successfully transformed your bathroom using slate tiles and essential components. Remember, take your time and follow each step carefully for the best results. Enjoy your beautiful, durable, and well-designed slate floor bathroom. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more interior design tips. Until next time, happy decorating!